What's up and good morning, guys. I got my boy Drew hooking up the trailer right now. We're gonna go work. Let's start a job out here in Rancho Santa Margarita. My guys still have to sleep right now. It's 7:58. He's a little tired right now.
Good morning, guys. What's up, guy? What day it is today? Monday. 8 o'clock. August what?
22nd.
22nd. Going to work. Damn, the shop a little messy. I can't really show that, you know. That's how Marco shit right there. I ain't gonna lie. How we feeling today, my boy?
Good.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? Alright, guys. To work. Packed up all the stuff in the back. We have the trailer because today is demo day. Today is Monday, and we're gonna show you guys how we build kitchens, how we destroy kitchens and build them again, and destroy kitchens and build them again. For also flooring, also framing, a lot of different type of stuff.
I'm ahead of you already, my boy.
So yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's go.
I already told.
Cut myself pretty bad. Oh, I can't get through here, huh? Can't get through here? I know. Yeah, I cut myself pretty bad. It's tough. I think it's better, bro.
This guy is whack at cutting. He's good at cutting everything other than it. Everything. He's good at cutting his hand better than he could.
I busted at Marco. Alright, guys, taking out the cabinets. So for this kitchen, we're not gonna destroy the kitchen like I said in the morning. Keep them, and we're gonna reinstall them at the shop. It takes a little more time to actually take them out, so we don't break them, so we can reuse them.
So right now we're continuing the demo. We already covered up with plastic, as you guys can see back there. Plastic. So we don't got no dust traveling all around the house. Cover the floor with wrap board. Here we didn't cover it because we're going to be replacing this floor here. So right now we're dismantling the kitchen, taking the crown molding off when it's all screwed in. So we don't like to come in here and like what everyone thinks of a demo day is grab a freaking sledgehammer and you know, you make more work for yourself like that. So you take your time and just take the screws out. You know, it's way cleaner first of all, and to me it goes faster than having to pick up more trash than you should at the end of the day.
Jason's here.
Little update on the job. Yes, sir. We got my boy putting on the gloves, you know.
Patron said he doesn't want me to get hurt, so I gotta put the gloves on.
Yeah, you gotta put the gloves on, man.
We're taking out the tile. I'm about to take off this big boys right here.
Take off this countertop.
My boy Jake is taking off the
backsplash.
Yes, sir.
The tile backsplash. We're pulling off all the uppers right now. We're gonna continue. We're gonna take off the countertop here, and then we're gonna work our way that way. Then we're gonna take all these appliances out of here once we pull out that pony wall over there.
And then we're gonna
they
take
do
off
not
this
come
wall?
out through here. And then tomorrow we're gonna be tearing out some of this wall too.
Dude, it's crazy to me how short this wall is. I think like it'll be all the way down there. There's 2x4s in behind these?
No. Oh yeah. The cabinets are built out, yeah.
So they saw it?
Patron showed up.
The gangster.
5 years to life.
5 years to life.
Papa was gonna do some jail time because he wants to be a speed racer.
going on right here, Marco?
Garbage.
Garbage?
Pure freaking garbage.
Is that mold I see?
Sure. Put all this out right here. The drywall. Let it air out a little bit. You know, a couple days.
Yep.
I shouldn't even be in here right now.
Really?
No mask on.
So you know how to fix that, Jay?
If you want, Jay, you can cut that with the sawzall, bro. Yeah. Cut it like on the stud over here, look. You get me?
Yeah.
Or if you want a knife it or Dremel.
Demo done.
You guys start saying, then why didn't we cover up this floor? We're taking it out and replacing it with new floors. So, just
FYI. Bring this wall down, and then also knock that down, and take out like a full 90-degree angle with cameras. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's wraps. No cap.
we just finished the demo.
Yes,
We're all
sir.
loaded up. You know, and I just want to show you guys, my boy over here is a hella slum.
No. I'm still a little dizzy from all the blood I lost.
Oh man, my boy, how us Mexicans say, se le iban a salir las tripas.
Oh, sí.
You know, but
No pasa nada.
he's alright. Luckily, the homeowner is a nurse, so
She got me up.
she took care of him. You know what I mean? She
I might need
says
to go get stitches.
she
though.
said he might need some stitches. Yeah, he might need some stitches because it's pretty deep. But my guy over here was, you know, got a little happy with that knife, and the knife won the battle.
It was a brand new blade too.
Freshy, freaking like 15 minutes in the job, ruined his whole day right there. We're gonna go grab some lunch.
Yes, sir.
Lunch at 3 o'clock, and then we're gonna go to the shop and probably install some cabinets. So stay tuned. What's your fare?
For me. What's up, guys? Tuesday morning. Those are the cabinets. Oh, we gotta go to the dump, huh? We gotta go to the dump. Dump is going down. So, Marco, good morning.
What's up, guys? Good morning.
Good morning. What's going down?
Well, I heard dumping.
Bringing all the trash away from
Yesterday's demo.
yesterday's demo. Yes,
Part of
sir.
it. Right now we're dumping all this trash out. We're gonna go back to the shop, get the tools, stop by Home Depot, get some drywall, some gloves so my guy doesn't cut himself again, and head out to the job and keep going.
What's up, Jay? How you feeling?
Good?
You having a good day?
We're hungry.
You hungry? Need a meal, my boy. All right, guys, finish this dump. Yes, sir. There's a dump. We come here a lot, so we're gonna come and record here a lot, so yeah.
Dig 2 of demo. Jason's mad. They got mad already. Look at him. Power's off already. Tearing it out. Taking out these soffits. Unwrapping that. Tearing out that little wall there too. Patrones on it.
Hello, mess, patron. So we just finished. Actually, no, we still need the top of the where the bar was at. I think we might actually not take that off because that's pulling down the house.
What's up, y'all?
Going down, Marco?
We're here. Demoing. Keep going. We demoed this pony wall. We demoed the drywall. So we were planning on removing this close, but it's not very deep. So we're gonna just shrink it down and we're gonna build around it like this here. So we're gonna go on lunch. We finished most of the demo. Now we just gotta strip this post here, trim it down, cut all this off, take this off, finish cleaning that up. And then we're gonna pull the flooring off and then probably bring the drywall in. I don't know how far we're gonna get today. We might not be able to install the drywall today until tomorrow, so we'll see.
A little dirty, but we finna go hit some Baja fish. I love me some Baja fish, man. Alright, y'all, we just finished eating. That shit was busting. How was your burrito, Marco? My boy is quiet. He's sleeping now. We gotta go work. Let's go. Come on. I definitely recommend going to Baja Fish. That's busting. No cap. Guys, we are done for the day. Finish. Taking off this. And then tomorrow will be drywall. And then, what else, Marco?
Drywall and taping. And then
masa?
Masa.
Masa, and then put the flooring?
No, I think we're doing flooring. That's last.
Last? And the counter and everything?
Yeah. So we put them up so we don't have to put a quarter round molding.
Okay.
So it looks cleaner.
Yo. Just finished some cardio on the bike for 25 minutes. The workout was pretty simple. We did chest and a little bit of arms, and I stretched out after and did some cardio to relax my body, because I used to tend to come from work, and when I work I tense my body a lot as well, and I'll come to work out and I'll tense it even more, and it'll just lead up to bad injuries and bad just feeling horrible in general. So I take the time to stretch, to relax the body, to calm down the body, and now I'm ready to eat. Good workout. Get back in here tomorrow morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow.